Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this stunning SVR with the SVO special effect paint. You have the extended carbon fibre trim finisher. This car isn't due a service until October 2021. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys, a powered tailgate, and the SVR badging on the back there. You also have keyless entry, and going inside the vehicle you have electrically deployable side steps helping you get in and out of the vehicle, illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and SVR performance seats. You have a sliding panoramic roof, front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold, 10-inch display screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark, sat nav, and you also have a rear view camera with 360-degree park assist and parking aid, speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making drive along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated front and rear seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and you do also have a Meridian sound system. This car has done 23,434 miles. You also have the SVR steering wheel and the carbon fibre trim finisher throughout the car. This car has previously had one owner, and you also have 2 keys, which is great to have a spare. That was the Range Rover SVR. If you're interested in this lovely vehicle, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.